Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make gluten-free onion mochi pancake. You can make one pancake using one onion. It's a great way to use up onions. It's sweet yet tasty with chewy texture. My kids loved it. I hope you like this idea and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Finely chop the onion. Season with salt and pepper. Add 1 tablespoon of Katakuriko potato starch or cornstarch is okay, and mix well. Heat sesame oil in a frying pan. Olive oil or any kind of cooking oil is okay. Spread the mixture. Cover and cook on low for 5 minutes. Flip it over. It's very easy to break, but you can fix it with spatula. Cover and cook on low for another 5 minutes until nice and golden brown. And now it's done. Eat it with soy sauce, salt, or anything you like. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
いいね。もちもちだ本当に。それで食べます。
これどうやって作ったの？めっちゃ美味しい。
よかった。
皆さんもぜひ作ってください。チャンネル登録お願いします。グッドボタン押してね。バイバイ。